Learn Hindi from English. Important, possible, pity, unlikely and necessary with.
जरूरी.
Welcome to the drama club. Hey, you're about to learn Hindi with a little chaos, a little repetition, and a suspicious amount of emotional weather. Ready to sound smart and slightly dramatic? Today's mission is simple. You will learn 5 powerful Hindi sentences that help you talk about importance, possibility, regret, doubt, and change. Imagine life as a tiny soap opera. Someone must come, someone may come later, nobody has time, the plan may fail, and some ancient broken object absolutely must be replaced. Conveniently, Hindi has you covered. Your 5 power lines. First, hear the core sentences clearly. Let them land like movie dialogue. It is important that you come. In Hindi.
यह जरूरी है कि तुम आओ.
It is possible that he will come later. In Hindi.
ये संभव है कि वो बाद में आएगा.
It is a pity that we have no time. In Hindi.
ये अफसोस की बात है कि हमारे पास समय नहीं है.
It is unlikely that this will work. In Hindi.
ये संभव नहीं लगता कि यह काम करेगा.
It is necessary that this be changed. In Hindi.
यह जरूरी है कि इसे बदला जाए.
A very serious and slightly ridiculous story. Now let's glue everything together with a short story. Your brain loves stories, even weird ones. You are invited to the grand opening of Uncle Ramesh's Revolutionary Tea Museum, a place nobody asked for but everybody now respects. The organizer stares at you with dramatic intensity and says,
यह जरूरी है कि तुम आओ.
Why? Because apparently you are the only person tall enough to reach the ribbon. Meanwhile, your cousin says,
ये संभव है कि वो बाद में आएगा.
he is always late. If time were a person, it would block his number. Then everyone checks the schedule and groans.
ये अफसोस की बात है कि हमारे पास समय नहीं है.
The speech is long, the snacks are small, and the dancing goat has already escaped. Someone tries to fix the museum speaker with tape, hope, and what may be a spoon. You look at the machine and whisper.
ये संभव नहीं लगता कि यह काम करेगा.
Finally, the ancient microphone makes a sound like a sneezing tractor. The engineer sighs and declares.
यह जरूरी है कि इसे बदला जाए.
And honestly, the microphone agrees. Tiny pattern guide. You do not need to memorize grammar names today. Just notice the repeating building blocks. For importance or necessity, listen for.
यह जरूरी है कि.
It is important or necessary that. For possibility, listen for.
ये संभव है कि.
It is possible that. For regret, listen for.
यह अफसोस की बात है कि.
It is a pity that. For doubt, listen for.
ये संभव नहीं लगता कि.
It seems unlikely that. For needed change, listen for.
इसे बदला जाए.
This should be changed, or, this be changed. Repeat after me. Say each line out loud, once like a calm human, then once like a dramatic actor with a wind machine. Yes, that helps. Repeat.
यह जरूरी है कि तुम आओ.
Again.
यह जरूरी है कि तुम आओ.
Repeat.
ये संभव है कि वो बाद में आएगा.
Again.
ये संभव है कि वो बाद में आएगा.
Repeat.
यह अफसोस की बात है कि हमारे पास समय नहीं है.
Again.
यह अफसोस की बात है कि हमारे पास समय नहीं है.
Repeat.
ये संभव नहीं लगता कि यह काम करेगा.
Again.
ये संभव नहीं लगता कि यह काम करेगा.
Repeat.
यह जरूरी है कि इसे बदला जाए.
Again.
यह जरूरी है कि इसे बदला जाए.
Mini dialogues. Now hear the sentences in conversation. Real language likes company. A. Please don't miss the meeting. B. Why? A.
यह जरूरी है कि तुम आओ.
A. Is Ravi coming now? B.
ये संभव है कि वो बाद में आएगा.
A. Can we stay and chat for an hour? B.
ये अफसोस की बात है कि हमारे पास समय नहीं है.
A. Will this ancient laptop survive? B.
ये संभव नहीं लगता कि यह काम करेगा.
A. This pipe is cracked. B.
यह जरूरी है कि इसे बदला जाए.
Quick memory hooks. Let's make the phrases sticky. Slightly silly is perfectly legal. Think of
जरूरी.
as urgent important energy. If someone points at a door and a clock, here.
यह जरूरी है कि तुम आओ.
Think of
संभव.
as possible. Add a late friend and a yawning clock.
ये संभव है कि वो बाद में आएगा.
Think of
अफसोस.
as a sad sigh. Plans are nice, calendars are rude.
यह अफसोस की बात है कि हमारे पास समय नहीं है.
For doubt, remember the broken gadget face. Eyebrows down, hope fading.
ये संभव नहीं लगता कि यह काम करेगा.
For replacement, picture a mechanic, a teacher, or your inner adult voice saying.
यह जरूरी है कि इसे बदला जाए.
Fast quiz. Your turn. I'll ask in English, and you try the Hindi before the answer arrives. How do you say, it is important that you come? Answer.
यह जरूरी है कि तुम आओ.
How do you say, it is possible that he will come later? Answer.
ये संभव है कि वो बाद में आएगा.
How do you say, it is a pity that we have no time? Answer.
यह अफसोस की बात है कि हमारे पास समय नहीं है.
How do you say, it is unlikely that this will work? Answer.
ये संभव नहीं लगता कि यह काम करेगा.
How do you say, it is necessary that this be changed? Answer.
यह जरूरी है कि इसे बदला जाए.
One last challenge. Now mix meaning with emotion. Say each line like you actually need it. Urgent invitation.
यह जरूरी है कि तुम आओ.
Calm uncertainty.
ये संभव है कि वो बाद में आएगा.
Polite regret.
यह अफसोस की बात है कि हमारे पास समय नहीं है.
Technical doubt.
ये संभव नहीं लगता कि यह काम करेगा.
Firm necessity.
यह जरूरी है कि इसे बदला जाए.
Thanks and keep going. Nice work. You just practiced real Hindi sentences that sound useful, expressive, and a little cinematic. That is a solid combination. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep repeating these Hindi lines out loud, use them in tiny imaginary scenes, and come back to practice again soon. The more you say,
यह जरूरी है कि तुम आओ.
and the other phrases, the more natural they will feel. You're doing great, keep practicing.